Hey, what's up everyone? It's looking like our suspicions may not only be correct, but maybe one step closer to being proven. According to this article, which was tweeted out, scientists accuse DARPA of genetically modifying insects for bioweapons to spread agricultural viruses. Let's do a quick search for the definition of DARPA, or the explanation for what DARPA is. I'm going to ask Google what it is. Hey Google, what is DARPA? This is the definition.
According to Wikipedia, the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency is an agency of the United States Department of Defense responsible for the development of emerging technologies for use by the military.
Responsible for the development of increasing technology for the use of our military, basically. And the development. Basically, they develop various cutting-edge technology that can be used for bioweapons, and basically they can use against foreign nations, but it can get out of hands, and if you use something on someone else, they can use it against you. But scientists are accusing them of genetically modifying insects for bioweapons to spread agricultural viruses. I remembered a while back, if you remember, North Korea was threatening biowarfare, stating that they have all of these, not only nuclear weapons and chemical weapons, but they had viruses that they could spread. Was that true? I would say it's a possibility, a very large possibility. I'm going to pull up this article and I'll leave the link below. Could these giant mosquitoes that are being seen across the United States and Russia be part of this biological warfare? Being used, genetically modified insects being used for, well, the genetically modified organisms being used for biological warfare? Is it possible? Yes. Obviously, using insects as a means of distributing these viruses is a terrible idea, and they said that because it can't be controlled. Well, scientists claim that that would be far more effective if simply sprayed overhead like other delivery systems for agriculture. DARPA actually stopped short of calling it a weapon, but they did acknowledge that this technology could be used as a means of national defense. So you can actually use biological warfare as national defense. They admitted to that. National security can quickly be jeopardized, though, when occurring threats to crop systems, pathogens, drought, flooding, frost, but especially threats produced by the state of non-state factors, by state or non-state factors. They said, are you scared now? This article stated, well, you should be. Indeed, when the people who are exempted from most all of the federal regulations begin modifying these swarms of insects to infect crops with viruses, which would then genetically modify the spot and refer to this as national defense, it may be time to start paying attention when these organizations start stating that it's basically just national defense, when they start distributing viruses and genetically modifying these organisms, insects, and basically using them as biowarfare techniques. So they actually did all but admit to it. They said they can use the technology as a means of national defense. According to the DARPA website and the report given, they almost pretty much admitted to it. I'll let you read the article. I'm going to post a link to it below. But what do you think? Now, I'm not stating one way or another, but I was just reading and stating, giving a summary of what this article stated and what many of you already theorized. So that's all for this video. I'm not stating any sort of propaganda or anything like that. I would like to think that they wouldn't do that, but I know better. But anyway, I just wanted to share this. Give me your thoughts. Peace and much love. Bye.